Aerial imaging has gathered momentum and can often give you some breathtaking visuals. If you're looking for an aerial imaging camera without breaking the bank, then these are the best ones in the market today. The Hobby's own Sports Cub S-BNF with UM FPV transmitter and camera is at number 3. It features FPV system that features Spectrum's VA1100 Ultra Micro FPV camera with built-in 5.8 GHz video transmitter to beam a live image from the air back to the ground. For an immersive view experience, Fat Shark's Teleporter V4 FPV goggles are also included. These support head tracking, which digitally pans the camera as you turn your head. It gives you proportional 4-channel control with working throttle, rudder, elevator, and aileron movements. There's a safe, backed flight control system for enhanced stability and a steerable tail wheel for easy ground control. You can also recover the drone with the pull of a trigger with panic recovery mode. The Teleporter V4 includes its own battery, while the VA1100 taps off the Sports Cub S's flight battery. The package also includes the LiPo flight battery plus USB charger. You can head over to the video description to find out more about these products and to find buying links. The E-Flite Xvert aircraft, which is at number 2, provides you all the fun and capabilities of a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft without any of the complexities. Owing to its simplified design and built-in safe stabilization technology, the Xvert can be flown by people of any skill level. Powering the aircraft is a 280 size brushless motor compatible with two S450 to 800 mAh lithium-Po batteries. It offers 3 different flight modes that allow you to switch between multi-rotor airplane and acrobatic airplane modes. When combined with automatic stabilization technology, ensures safe and smooth transitions. Additional space is allocated on the frame for additional FPV accessories. It uses a lightweight and extremely durable EPO airframe and comes with a colorful decal sheet with multiple trim scheme options. It is ready to fly within minutes of opening the box, and the propeller guards and vertical fins are easy to install or remove. And the Parrot Bebop 2 from Parrot is a Wi-Fi-based mobile-operated RC quadcopter, capturing 1080p video and taking 4096 by 3072 stills. In order to avoid the weight and power consumption of a gimbal, this drone camera features an electronic image stabilization system that uses a 3-axis motion sensor and a 180-degree fisheye lens from which it can crop a 1080p image. Updates over the first Bebop include a lower camera angle for direct shots and a larger battery for up to 25 minutes of flying time. Instead of requiring a special transmitter, the Bebop Drone 2 can be controlled from an Android or iOS mobile device running the FreeFlight 3 app. The app also provides a real-time preview from the flight camera, and you can even record a low-resolution feed directly on your device. For high-res recording, you can use the 8 GB of built-in memory. Antennas are included for both 2.4 and 5 GHz frequency spectrums, so that you can choose the frequency that works best depending on other sources of interference. If this video was helpful to you, hit the like button. If we rocked it, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.